Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 7.2, question number 1. A 14-meter deep well with inner diameter 10 meter is dug and the earth taken out is evenly spread all around the well to form an embankment of width 5 meter. Find the height of the embankment. Here, your cylinder figure is given. It's a 14-meter deep, that is height is 14 meter, and the diameter is 10 meter. Inner dia is 10 meter, therefore inner radius R equal 10 divided by 2, 5 meter. Height inner height H equal 14 meter. Now volume of earth taken out is the volume of cylinder pi r squared h equal 22/7. R is 5 into 5 because r squared. H is 14 meter. So 7 here 1100 meter cube. Here volume of the here earth is taken from the cylinder. Earth is taken out and spread out around the well. Then volume of the halo embankment is pi r squared minus r squared into h, which is 22/7. Here inner is actually the embankment is rounding the earth outside. That means inner radius is here r, that is 10, that is square, minus outer your inner radius is 5. Inner radius is 5. Outer radius is 10 because its embankment is another 5. So that means here so this is 5 meter. Therefore it gives 10 squared minus 5 squared into the height we need, how much its raise we need, which is equal to the volume of the earth 1100. So we have 22/7 into 100 minus 25 H equal 1100. Let us give little more space for the calculation. Which is equal 22/7 into 75, 100 minus 25 is 75, into H equal 1100. Therefore H equal 1100 into 7/22 into 75. So it goes 2. 2 11s are here, 100 11s are. Then further is 50, and 50 and 75 is 2/3. That is 14/3. So we get 14/3 is 4 3s are 12, 2 carries, and 6 6, which is nearly equal 4.7 meter. Therefore the length, the height of the embankment, the height increase, the height equal 4.7 meter embankment. Next question number 2. A cylinder glass with diameter 20 centimeter has water to a height of 9 centimeter. A small cylindrical metal of radius 5 centimeter and height 4 centimeter is immersed it completely. Calculate the rise of the water in glass. Here the water level is 9 centimeter. Suppose this is a water level. The radius 10 centimeter, because diameter is 20, radius is 10 centimeter. Now the volume of the water raised is volume of the cylindrical metal. Volume of cylindrical metal immersed in water. That is equal, suppose we can use pi r1 squared h1 equal pi r2 squared h2. The pi and pi cut here. Then R1 is radius of the cylinder is 10 square into H1 equal the small 5 centimeter. Here small metal radius is 5 centimeter, that R2 square 5 square into H2 height is 4. Then H1 is 5 square into 4 over 10 square only. Here 5 square is 25, 100 by 100 equal 1 centimeter. Therefore the height raised in water level increased is 1 centimeter. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.